Hey guys, welcome back to Spot on your channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to follow someone on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. It's very simple way to do it. If you want to follow someone, there is a have the suggestion to you, but this is a suggestion. But if you don't have the suggestion, you can go to the search symbol in the below. Click on the search below, and that's what happening. And then you can go to this and how to search about the account that you want to be follow. You can type in the upper of the bar and search for people. Okay, if you search or you get it for the someone that you want to be the follow, you can click it, and there is a have the follow button in the upper. You can click on the follow. Okay, now you is followed by Kendall Jenner. Okay, I think it's enough for you and how to follow someone on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.